Hello my people, and welcome back to another video. If today not the first day where you're see my channel, you're highly welcome. My returning subscriber, thank you when I tell you always come back to watch my video. So guys, today video will cook delicious goat meat and yam pepper soup. Yes guys, this is now one of my favorite meal. See, now one of my favorite. So if you want to know how to cook this yam and goat meat pepper soup, so make you keep on watching me. You not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Guys, trust me when I tell you, say this now this now one of the best recipe when you go ever watch. Okay, so guys, for our pot, then this now the goat meat already washed and cut. Okay, so I just put on for pot. This now seasoning, I just put my seasoning, salt. Okay, you fit use any seasoning of your choice, you fit use that, guys. Okay, then I can put salt. This now onions, I can put onions already washed and diced. I can stir. After I just stir around, then I can cover and make it just simmer for some minutes. Okay, for like 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, so after it does steam for like 2 to 3 minutes, then I can put water, enough water to cover the meat. Yeah, enough water, guys. Then I can put stir, then I can cover make it cook. Yeah, I can cover and make it cook. So guys, this now after like 15 minutes. Okay, I can come back again. They can put that now pepper soup spice. Okay, 1 tablespoon of pepper soup spice. Then this now dry pepper. Guys, this pepper they very spicy, like very spicy. Okay, then I can put you fit put pepper according to how you take one time. Okay, so then I can put the pepper. Okay, stir. Then I can put this now another pepper soup spice. I don't know say they call this thing for English. I beg, if you know the name, you leave it for the comment section. Then I can put some. Okay, just for extra flavor and taste. Okay, just for extra flavor. Anyway, extra flavor. Yes. Then I can put some. This time after like 30 minutes, like this meat now, it don't almost cook. It just remain like small, like 90% cook. Okay, this goat meat strong well is very strong. So it take me like 35, maybe just say like 40 minutes before the meat cook. Yeah, so this now scent leaf. Then I can put scent leaf. Guys, scent leaf, oh my god, guys, the way scent leaf dey sweet for pepper soup, if you never try you dey miss. So you dey miss big time. Try and trust me, hey, you go come back like come thank me for the comment section. Trust me. Pepper soup dey sweet well for, I mean, scent leaf dey sweet well for inside pepper soup. Then I can put taste for seasoning and salt. Everything just dey okay. Yeah, everything just dey okay. Then I can cover make it cook. So this now our yam. Yeah, so our yam don't already dey one corner here dey cook. So guys, if you don't watch me up to this time and you never subscribe, wetin you see dey wait for? Wetin you see dey wait for? Oh yeah, na make you, I mean, subscribe, like, comment and share. Okay, more than they share my video, more than they share am, abeg. So voila, our pepper soup done ready. Our yam and pepper soup done ready. So I just the dish out. Okay, dish am out. Mona see how it looks like. So this now the yam. Then I can put the pepper soup. Guys, this pepper soup tastes so good. This pepper soup tastes so yummy. You know they hard to cook at all. You know they waste time. You know they waste. No. Pepper soup is already. Then I just, I mean, dish am out. Okay, guys, check out this pepper soup now. Check out this pepper soup. This pepper soup tastes so good, so yummy. Me and my family, we really enjoy it. We really enjoy it. Okay, so guys, if you want to see how to demolish this food, I get the video for my channel there. So I will leave the video for the description box. Okay, make you go check them out. Make you see how me and my baby girl they eat this food. So yeah, so yes, I just the dish am out now. Check out this pepper soup, guys. Check it out. My house they scent everywhere. They scent. All my neighbors, they just know say yes, mommy great. They cook pepper soup. So guys, make I remind you again, you don't forget to subscribe. May you like this video, may you comment, may you share with your loved one, your family, friends. Okay, when they share my video, I beg. make una dey share my video. Okay guys, hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you again for my next one. Bye guys, bye.